Yes, sir. Hello.
Nakakuha ka sa top 5. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I would like you to state your full name. State your full name.
I am Tracy R. Dizon, sir.
Miss Trixie R. Dizon, who are you after winning the crown tonight? I repeat, who is Trixie R. Dizon after winning the crown tonight?
Thank you, sir. So, who is me after winning the crown? I want to be an ambassador. The ambassadors of sports and physical education. As a privileged student and student athlete, I am proudly putting my advocacy in the promotion of sports and physical education. This advocacy is deeply rooted in my love of sports, and that is valuable. Through the different programs that we are able to enjoy as a student, with one being sports, we get to expose the values that supports the ideal of sports. With the help of our coaches and trainers, we are able to reach a number of young minds even beyond the PRISA athletes. Through this, we can educate our youth in the avoidance of vices and drugs as we promote taking care of our overall well-being. We the youth, we the ambassadors, play a vital role in laying the foundation for the society and its future. Let us be a positive contributor and make our interest in sports fuel us to create a positive impact in the community around us in the world. And I believe the main goal of being a Mutya and PRISA is to encourage, inspire, and will leave an impact. Thank you and good night.